Bum 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 bum.
Tomatoes?
Hello, and welcome to the video for what is the line trace component. First off, the line trace component is not a component that does line traces. It's a line trace against components. And if you don't know what line traces are, those are just invisible beams that allow you to see what you've hit in terms of collision. So this is our line trace component node. It takes in a target or a component on something that we want to trace against, a couple different options, and then a couple different results. So if I run my example here, I'm going to trace against this character here. In the top left, we're going to see what I hit. And I'm printing out the bone name against the mesh component, the skeletal mesh, the red character we see here. And it's telling me which bone I hit. Now there's a couple of, unfortunately, funky, weird things here. You can see me hitting the different parts of it, up and down, the different parts of the leg, the different parts of the arm. If we click on Show Trace, this is the first funny part about this, it really doesn't work like you'd expect. You kind of get these weird little flashes, and you can see a tiny, tiny, tiny little dot for maybe half of a frame, obviously probably a frame, on where it hits if you're lucky. So that's the first thing that works really weird on here. So how it works is it has an input of a target. It's a primitive component. In this case, on my character itself, we have a mesh. That's the red character you saw there. It's a skeletal mesh. And that's going to be the target I'm targeting for my line trace. We have a start and an end point. In this case, I'm shooting out 1,000 units from the end of my gun. Whether we're going to trace against the complex or the other collision, I don't know why I can't remember that all of a sudden. Complex or simplified collision, there we go. Whether you're going to use simplified by default or complex if it's checked, and whether you show your trace. Now the output is going to be really simple. The location it hit, the normal it hit, a bone name, your actual hit result if you need it, and then whether you hit anything or not, a true or false. In this case, I'm grabbing the bone name and printing out the bone name. But I can have the full hit if I need to, or just really quickly the location of the normal. This is nice if you want to trace against an actual component instead of, for example, a channel or an object type or a profile type. You want to say, hey, on this component, like in this case of this character, where did I hit? And then maybe you want to apply damage or specific things happen based on where you hit. And that's it. It's a really simple node. Line trace component targets a single primitive component, so a component that's going to be on side of a blueprint, against an actual trace start and end point, complex is an option, and show trace is an option, and outputs the basic hit information.